Alright guys, so here is the final look of these locks. Don't y'all pay attention to my sides. You know, I got to shave them down a little bit, but poke myself in the eye. This is my first time doing these kind of butterfly locks in the crochet style, and although I typically do have, as y'all could see, problems with this particular brand because they are handmade, so each strand is different, but these weren't as bad as I thought they were gonna be. They did loosen up at the loop part, which ended up being good, because otherwise I would have just scratched it and just would have been like, it's just a waste for me. I do like the length. Now this is the bob. I don't know if y'all saw that on the package, but this is the bob collection, but I did it in reverse. I didn't want a bob because of my haircut. I wanted it like a actual gradual, like layered look, so I put the long ones on the bottom and the short ones at top, versus doing it the other way. You can put the short ones at the bottom and the longer ones at top, so that it then gives you that bob look. Like I said, I personally did not want that, so I did it the other way. This is totally super no maintenance. Clearly you don't have to do anything to it. All I do is throw this style in a what you call that, a bonnet, and go to sleep and take it off, and that's it. Sometimes I wear it all up in like a side ponytail, or most of the time I'll just wear it down because it's not heavy. And I did only use one pack. For a full head I will say 2 packs, even though it comes with, or 2 packs, or you could do bigger sections. That will combat like the problem of having too many locks in your head if you don't want like a whole big head full of locks. If y'all hear a bunch of stuff in the background, it's because my son is on 10 right now in the other room. Other than that, like I said, this style is very little to, well, I'm not even gonna say little, it's low, it's no maintenance, and we like no maintenance. Very good vacation hair, because you ain't got to do nothing to it. You can get it wet, you ain't got to worry about nothing. Okay, you can get up, roll up out the bed and go, and that is it. So would I suggest this hair? Of course I would, yes, because like I said, you don't have to do anything to it, and I love the color. This is a great winter color. I tend to go red during the winter times, and the fall times. So yeah, like I said, love this hair. It's very good, no maintenance, and that is it. Yeah, don't forget to let me know, guys, of any hair, any products you guys want me to review, do a video on. I'm more than open to doing that. So yeah, that's all I got. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next Candy's Hair Diary